Hi everyone, welcome to this episode again on Cirrus Data. So today I'm just going to show you how to use the Excel add-in to build a table for yourself that you can update in future whenever there's new data from, let's say, the custodians or so. So today I'm going to use the NSA's quarterly GDP data just to build a table, and then show you how to use the update function to update that table whenever there's new data on the same indicators. So if you don't have the Excel add-in set up into your Excel, you're just gonna click on insert there and then click get add-ins and then search for Cirrus. So once you search for Cirrus, you get that, and then just click on add, and then the privacy policy there you can read for yourself, and then click on continue whenever you are comfortable. And then on your home tab there, it will find an empty space to embed itself, and then there it goes. You can just click on it and then it will open like that. So the process is the same for accessing the data. You have to log in. If you don't have the login details, you can click on sign up here, and then it will redirect you to the web platform that you can sign up. So I'm gonna log in with my login details and just show you how to build a table using the add-in. So the process is the same. You just have to search for the indicator. I'm gonna search for all the indicators in the quarterly GDP FAR, which range from primary industry to tertiary industry to other services, which is now from agriculture. So I'm gonna pause the video and just populate the search function with all the indicators that I need, and then we'll take it up from there. So I've searched for all the indicators from agriculture, fishing, mining, manufacturing, electricity to other services. And I want us to build a table that we can update whenever there's new data. Of course, I'm going to keep the frequency to default because the data has been updated in quarterly dates already. That is now from March, June, September, December, and like that. So I'm gonna choose to start from 2013 to let's say 2020, so that we can make use of 2021 and 2022 as our test for updating the table. So I'm gonna click where I want my table to be populated. That is from A1 to wherever it's gonna be end of the range of the table. So I'm gonna click insert data, and then magic will happen. Boom, there you have all the data getting populated into your Excel. And then, of course, because I want new data that has been loaded into Cirrus Data, I'm just going to drag down because this is already autofill, right? I don't know what the word is, but I'm just going to click there, and then you drag down until December 2022. And then, of course, I want to update this table, right? I'm just going to select from the top part, of course, A1, including all the numbers that are on the top, because these numbers are used to pull your data into your table. Don't forget to highlight from that part of the table. So you select this whole part here until the last part of your table that you want the data to be updated. Not down here. Please select until where the date of the last time series you want to update. So we're going to select until 31st December 2022. And then the magic will happen once you click on this update data. So if you are reloading, then you just have to log in again, and then select the range, and then click on update data, and then your table will get updated as fast as possible. Of course, you would want to add new indicators, right, to this range. Maybe you want to add inflation to this range, or maybe you want to add something else to this range, perhaps that get updated monthly. Let's say I want to add inflation, and then of course I was not logged in, and it's a whole lot of like you want to compare inflation and GDP, perhaps agriculture and so forth. I'm just gonna log in, okay, which is interesting now. Of course, now I have to select the whole range. I select the whole range, and then I want to add the new indicator inflation. You just click on the rebuild form, and then all your indicators are added to there, and then search for inflation. So once you search for inflation, of course, you get a range of indicators to choose from. Of course, I'm going to choose annual inflation, and then just insert data. Of course, there you go. Inflation is also in your table now. Whenever new inflation data comes out, then you'll be able to select the whole range from A1 to R1 until whenever the data you want to update. Of course, if I break down the dates until maybe March this year, then of course inflation will be updated, but these numbers will not be updated because we don't have numbers on them. But whenever we have the data in them, then you'll be able to get them populated. If you have your model that pulls data from here, of course, when new data gets updated, then you'll be able to just click update data, and then your whole entire model is updated, your PowerPoint presentation is updated, and everything else that is linked to this table is updated. No other things of funny to copy and paste and so forth, but you're just gonna click that. The same applies to all the indicators that get updated monthly, quarterly in Namibia. We get it updated in our platform, and you'll be able to build tables for yourself in your Excel and update them whenever you are free or whenever you get the chance to get your models updated. So that's basically it from my end, and take it up from there with your models. If you need assistance, please call me. That is on our office number 061 25 6666. So that's it from my end. Cheers.